Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. Alright, we're going to take a look at the Southern Coastal Highway to see how the progress is coming along. So this is the actual highway that's under construction. We are in St Thomas, Jamaica, and we are just getting an idea of the progress. So straight ahead, you can see the concrete barricades have been put in, and they actually have come pretty far. Alright, I don't think we're going to go all the way down there because they're working. I don't want to interfere with them. But just giving you an idea of the progress being made. We'll just zoom in so you can get an idea. Clearly this pole is going to be moved. It's just not been moved yet. Actually, I think we can go down there. Somewhere there we can turn. So this highway is going to run all the way from Harborview to Portland, but they're building it in phases. Okay, this will give us a better view of what's going on. But we're not going to go any further. We're not going to interfere with them. Now, I must say, the government, and when I say government, I don't necessarily mean this one, it could be the past one, is doing an excellent job in building these highways. I must say, it's really making a lot of progress for Jamaica, because you need these highways for persons to move easily around the country. I don't know which government started this project, but whichever one it is, they're doing an excellent job. And these highways take years to build, so one government might start it and another one complete it. So when we say government, we don't necessarily mean one particular government. Alright, so here you can see a nice view of the work being done. And this project is, I think in this current year's budget, they have allocated $20 billion to work on the highway, and that's just 1 year. So this is going to be a very expensive road, but it's needed. Definitely will do a lot for these eastern parishes, especially St. Thomas. Because every day you hear about this St. Thomas Road and how bad it is, so it will definitely help these parishes. So a lot of persons refer to this highway as a St. Thomas Highway because it passes through St. Thomas, but the official name is a Southern Coastal Highway. Same way you have the Highway 2000 project. Oh, they're actually making a lot of progress with the highway, or this phase of the highway. Okay, so on the left is the highway and on the right, so it will eventually cut across this road. But I don't think they're going to block off the road. So maybe they might put a bridge there. One thing I was to check out, but I haven't gotten around to, so maybe somebody knows. Will this Southern Coastal Highway be a free road or will it be a toll road? As I know the other highways, well, not the Northern Coastal Highway is free, you don't have to use a toll, but it isn't as fancy as, say, the North-South Highway or the Highway 2000, which are toll roads. So if anybody knows if this Southern Coastal Highway is going to be a toll road or not, because if it's going to be a toll road, then they need to definitely have this existing road for persons that don't want to use to pay the toll. But if it's going to be a free highway, then clearly you don't need this road running. No, you'll still need it because there are homes and business places off this road. So if anybody knows about that part, you can leave a comment in the section below. Now, on the way to Ocherest, there is a place called Fate's Pen, and it was a very popular place for persons to stop. And okay, here is the highway again. So let's take a look. Yeah, it was a very popular spot for persons to stop and buy food on the way to Ocherest. And then all of a sudden the place is a ghost town. Like, it has literally 30 stalls there to sell food and only 1 or 2 are operating. And we had made a video and most persons said it has to do with the highway taking the traffic away. So a lot of these stores or places, business, restaurants, bars might be affected when this highway opens. Okay. Fate's Pen is literally a ghost town now. And on the flip side, somebody decided to build a gas station on the highway. I mean, you can only access the gas station in Monique from the highway, so you have to be on the highway, meaning you have to pay the toll. And that gas station, it's like an epic failure. It's I don't know how it's still open. There's literally nobody uses it because they were banking on the traffic from the highway, and I have no idea what happened there either. But that gas station doesn't do very well. It's just to give you an example, you have 12 pumps and you have 1 attendant because there is no reason to operate 12 pumps, not even 1 pump. So it's kind of weird. So I guess time will tell. But this is the actual highway. So I'm assuming it's going to go straight across and intersect. So how are they going to get these? Because they're not, I don't think they're going to interfere with the road. So that's very strange. It doesn't look like a bridge being built. I don't know. We'll see when they finish. Alright guys, thanks for watching. Remember to like, share and subscribe. Have a good day.